Hello there, I'm going to show you how I use Truly Free's laundry machine cleaner and odor and stain eliminator to maintain my washer. So the first thing that I like to do, because I have an HE machine, is I like to take the odor and stain eliminator and just spray it in all the nooks and crannies that the water is not going to be able to get to because of the amount of water that it uses. So that is including the outside of my washer and inside my drawers and the little compartments here and there. It really helps just to break down all the hard water buildup where the actual laundry machine cleaner will not be able to get to for obvious reasons. I like to do that with the Truly Free cleaning cloth. They are eco-friendly. They can be used as napkins or even as simply as just cleaning like I am doing here. And I just go in and make sure there's no debris anywhere at all, and it really helps to keep your washer in tip-top shape to get rid of all the dirt and grime that gets built up everywhere. I really like the Truly Free laundry machine cleaner because it is safe for my family, and it is unscented, and it is not made with any harmful toxic chemicals. And they have an amazing mission, and it is so simple to use. You literally just dump it in, put it on the cleaning cycle if your washer has one. If it doesn't, put it on the longest, hottest setting that your washer has to offer. You start it, you let it do its thing, and then you have a clean washer.